and more of a social media showing flaunting.
Money attracts money.
No, when I buy my private jet, then I'll go to take the delivery.
You may destroy everybody's life.
I want my son to be a farmer.
Hi, Padma Shri Reddy Mondal. Welcome to my podcast where I talk about money and I talk about lifestyle. So, how are you doing today?
Yeah, I'm good. I'm getting a little cautious as well.
I think you'll do just fine. You were, in fact, one of the audience for the previous podcast we did
Yeah,
with Shivalik Dalmia, the McQueen this year.
yeah, right.
So, something got triggered, something sounded not achievable, not realistic to you.
To some extent, maybe the way she has, like her point of view definitely differs mine. So in that way, आजकल के बच्चे के ज़माने में होता है ना, this it's a totally rush to earn and more of a social media showing flaunting everything. You know, I don't think they have any priority goals or something like that. Maybe they be having the goals, but mainly their life is always in the social media flaunting how much you're earning and what are you wearing, all this stuff. सो अकॉर्डिंग माय मेरा जनरेशन के हिसाब से देखेंगे, यू सेड कि एक फायर नंबर, यू सेड ना,
Yes, fire number is a concept all over the world now.
you said don't not to run to earn money, right? That's what the concept is, a fire number.
No. Fire number is a concept is that you try to achieve that financial goal or monetary goal.
So you're setting an age also and the amount also.
Usually, we just put an amount
Okay.
because we don't know when we'll be able to achieve that goal. So, target is for most people that they will achieve it somewhere between 40 and 50.
Okay.
But now, young generation people, startups, they want to achieve it at 35 and 30 also. So, that's a different matter. But
So you mean sorry to interrupt. So you mean to say after achieving the fire number amount, so there is no need to, they should not even think of earning. They should be satisfied with whatever they had.
it's very interesting because money attracts money, right? And when you achieve your fire number, it's very difficult for you to stop earning. But earning doesn't feel like earning. Earning doesn't, it's not a 9 to 5, 6 days or 5 days a week job anymore. Earning happens because of your expertise, your skills, and in fact, you earn more, much more after you achieve your fire number. But you're not probably working as hard.
That's true. Because if I talk about my husband, when he has started with the business, is a second generation business. So when he started off, he used to work 18 hours per day. 18 hours per day for more than 17 to 18 years. Now, I guess during COVID years, like with increased projects and he has expanded his business. So instead of, earlier he used to work like a donkey. I shoot him up. Sorry for the offensive language, but now he started working like a smart working, that's a smart work and what do you call that?
Hard work.
Hard work. So now he's working like a horse. Very bindas lifestyle. So, partying. At the same time, he's keeping his goal very high. Recently he has completed with a project. Now he is so passionate and highly ambitious, not very calculative and not that पैसे कमाया, होता है ना पैसा पैसे के पीछे भागना, वैसे नहीं है. Now his next target is, he's been multiplied many times than the earlier project. So what do you say about this? So he should stop. After achieving, so it's his pack and lease. He's enjoying his life. He's enjoying his work. Without doing that, they're stagnant. The life comes to stagnancy. Even I do feel like that. It should be a balance of work. It should be a balance of your luxury, of your family time, partying, giving quality time to your children. It should be a balance of everything. After certain extent, after certain age, in fact. So, सबका जब young में है, very energy, full of life, बहुत क्या बोलते हैं, यू हैव दिस स्ट्रेंथ ऑल्सो मेंटली एंड फिजिकली. सो उस वक्त बहुत कमाते हैं, दे वर्क हार्ड. बट अभी हम एज में पहुंच गए जहाँ पे हमको लगता है एवरीथिंग शुड बी बैलेंस. अर्लियर वी नेवर यूज्ड टू गो आउट. अभी मेरा हस्बैंड तो पार्टी नहीं करता था. अभी नाउ इज नहीं. अभी जैसे ऑटो में डाल दिया, ऑटो पायलट मोड में बिजनेस को डाल दिया नाउ, बट ही इज स्टिल एमिंग हाई. So I don't know, maybe it's contradictory with your viewpoint of this fire number. I feel there should be a balance, and if the person is passionate about earning, let him do, because that is making him happy. Earning is making him happy, in fact. So if the person is happy, so you are making your family, your children, your wife, your husband happy, and you are having a very good quality life with your friends as well. है ना, that matters. So even I say to my son, at the end of the day, how much you're earning and how much happy you are, how happy you are, that matters.
Absolutely. I don't see there is any contradiction. I'll tell you, there are 2, 3 concepts that I would like to demonstrate here. One is, it seems like the gentleman we are talking about, he's already achieved his fire number. Okay. And now he's working, he has found his Kaizen, he's found his passion. He enjoys his work, he's enjoying his business from auto mode. So these are all symptoms that are showing very similar to my concept, not contradictory.
Okay.
But where I'm coming from see, business is a double or quit scheme. We always take a project which is bigger, much bigger than our previous project.
That's
Okay. And so in my family, we have seen, in my father-in-law's family, I've seen, in my personal life, I've seen that business is a double or quit scheme, right? You make it successful or you fail. When you fail, you lose everything. So you see what happened with Mr. Anil Ambani. Nobody thought he would lose money. Look at what happened to Subrata Roy, Sahara Group. Nobody thought he would lose money. See what happened to Canon, Kodak Films. Okay, obsolete. Think what happened to Nokia mobiles. Obsolete. So remember that business is a double or quits game. And if you lose at a certain age, let's say after 50, 55, 60, it doesn't have too much time for you to recover back.
That's true.
So it's always better to, if you don't need that additional money, then I personally believe that if you don't need the money, then don't take that risk, because you not only take risk for your own life, you take risk for your children's life, your spouse's life, wife or husband. You may destroy everybody's life.
But that may be within a limit. Like if the person thinks I'm playing it safely, I mean playing safe, कि इन लिमिट में, कि ये क्रॉस करने से मेरा उसमें वहां पे लॉस हो सकता है, वहां तक जा सकता है आदमी. इफ ही सेट्स हिज बाउंड्रीज राइट.
Right. And also there's another thing, which is sometimes we do things as a score rather than money. I often think about Mukesh Ambani, one of the richest men in India and perhaps in the world. But I don't think he's doing this only for money. I think he's doing it, these successes is related to some kind of a score in his life, like a game he's playing. And more the score, the better he is.
द मनी सबसे ज्यादा क्या होता है, मनी के बाद होता है पावर. इवन द पॉलिटिशियंस, अभी उन लोगों को पैसे कमाने का वो सब कुछ नहीं होता है, वो लॉन्ग बैक वो चला गया. विद दे नीड पावर, ओनली द पावर. पावर हाथ से चला गया. व्हाई दे डोंट क्विट सो इजीली,
How do you say this same thing in Telugu?
Which one?
The one you said, money is not, power is not easy to give up.
పైసలు కొంచెమే, తర్వాత పవర్ కావాలి. పవర్ ఉంటే ఏదైనా తాక టు సమ్ ఎక్స్టెంట్, তারপরে পাওয়ার পাওয়ার চাই.
No, it's absolutely true about this, what we talked about, the game. But also sometimes we don't realize that business is some kind of stress, and that stress takes some toll on your life,
Definitely.
on your health, right? It manifests itself as blood pressure, diabetes, obesity, mental health issues, heart issues, all these things.
It comes as a package.
It comes as a package, right?
Business, yeah.
Right. And do you really need these lifestyle diseases
See, nowadays,
for the money that you don't need?
I feel post COVID, people have really become very health conscious. I believe I really see. Even the businessman, they go for gyms, yeah, walk, taking a very balanced diet, healthy diet. But still, it's not with everyone. मेरे husband को भी देखती हूँ.
सर एक बात बताओ, you are a fairly wealthy person, right? So now that you have so much wealth, and between you and your husband, and I believe you have only one son, what will you do with this money that you will earn from now onwards? Will you buy a yacht? Will you buy an aeroplane, or perhaps, I don't know, what are you going to do?
Yesterday we bought a new car. My son asked my husband, Papa, তুমি যাবে না delivery নিছে গাড়ি নিয়ে? No, when I buy my private jet, then I'll go to take the delivery. As of now, there's no future plans as such. Why I want more money? To be frank, it's like
But this is very way. You don't know why you want to earn money.
see,
ये तो गड़बड़ है.
it's like this, the business तो अपना हिसाब से चल रहा है. It will definitely expand. जितना कमाओगे उतना expand होते ही जाएगा, and we'll be venturing into new projects. That's there. And my son is growing, so he is a very bright student. So right now we have not thought about
I heard he got some very high score in his ICS.
SCSE. Yeah. So, he is a very good student, and we never thought of him coming to a business right away. So, वो तो पढ़ने जाएगा, वहाँ जाएगा. तो he has a plans to go abroad also. So, वहाँ का तो, of course, we are in a position to bear those expenses, but
Sure.
still be to give him a very comfortable life. It's not that प्लाटर सजा के हम उसको दे देंगे, चलो बेटा आ जाओ बिजनेस में. वैसे तो करने वाला है ही नहीं हम लोग. बट फिर भी एक होता है ना, लाइक एक वेल एस्टैब्लिश्ड, in every sense, if you give him a very comfortable way when he comes back, making few more assets, it is so maybe we are thinking maybe for few years from right now, हम लोग we are thinking only about us, me and my husband. Maybe उसके बाद मेरा बेटा जब आएगा उसके लिए.
Very interesting, एक वो there's one thing, पूत कपूत काहे धन संचय, पूत सपूत काहे धन संचय.
अच्छा, मतलब
इसका क्या मतलब होता है मालूम है? कि अगर आपका लड़का सपूत है तो उसको आपके पैसे की जरूरत
जरूरत
नहीं,
ही नहीं है. एग्जैक्टली.
और अगर आपका बेटा कपूत है, माने
इनएफिशिएंट,
इनकेपेबल,
इनकेपेबल. हाँ,
then आपका पैसा will never be enough.
या दैट्स ट्रू.
See, whenever we do anything, there is a reason why we do it. Okay? If you don't have a reason, either it's a hidden agenda that you have not told anybody, or you have not told yourself. Okay, some of our agenda is also hidden from ourselves. So either it is that, or then you are just proving my point that it has become a habit.
इट्स बिकम हैबिट.
अब पैसा कमाना है
क्या हैबिट हो गया?
कि अब ये मालूम ही नहीं क्यों कमा रहे हैं, बट खाली कमाना है, ज्यादा कमाना है. एंड यहीं पे एक ट्रैप है, लाइफस्टाइल ट्रैप है. Unless it's a game, we talked about a game, we talked about score, right? Unless it's that, there is also one problem in earning more money.
Like,
When the money is getting, but this is my philosophical point of view, when you accumulate too much money in the hands of few people, you deprive so many people of money. You don't need the money. I mean, I don't need the money, but because I keep hoarding,
got it to some extent.
thoda bahut है. This is a very philosophical.
No, maybe like if I talk about my father, he's a very influential person in Hyderabad, but he is very well known for his philanthropy. Yes, like कितना लोगों का शादी कराया, कितना handed.
So this is what I was saying,
Yeah.
that you can get that satisfaction of doing something, that score or that passion. It needn't be in earning more. It can be in many other ways. For example, to serve the country in politics, to serve the country in philanthropy. You know,
Definitely.
so you can find the real mojo.
हाँ, this is मेरा फ्यूचर का प्लान, you know what I had some.
हम
Yep.
प्राइवेट जेट है.
नहीं, वो तो प्राइवेट जेट मेरे हस्बैंड का है. नहीं, I'll share something, you know, very much which is secret, more of a secret.
Oh, really? Thank you. Thank you for sharing.
Like, you know, even though I'm doing helping my guy, assisting my husband in his business, even I equally do in everything, in all the ventures. But thing is, a passion is always there. Like you are doing, after doing so many years of business in Hong Kong and came back here and doing this passion. You know what is my passion? I want my son to be a farmer, agriculture, educated farmer.
Wow.
Adopting many farmers in my in Hyderabad, and you know, अब अभी भी इट्स एन ओपन सीक्रेट, ओपन ट्रूथ कि अभी भी फार्मर्स का कभी कोई मैंने बहुत कम रिच फार्मर्स मिलते हैं आपको.
Correct. In Andhra, there were so many people dying.
Die everywhere. It's a scenario everywhere.
Maharashtra, Andhra, Punjab. Maybe less in Punjab.
जितना हाँ, they are the rich farmers in Punjab. You find the rich farmers. So जितना भी सब्सिडी दे रहे गवर्नमेंट का, कितना स्कीम होने के बाद भी, so फिर भी एग्रीकल्चर का, do you know any student, any young person nowadays they are going venturing into agriculture and farming?
See, because the future wars are going to be fought over food.
Exactly.
But no, not over land, but more about food.
So that I really want कि मैं अपना farming में जाऊँ, because I have lots and lots of abundant land in Hyderabad, my father's, and you know, तो मुझे वहाँ पे बहुत अच्छा लगता है. फार्मर्स को अडॉप्ट करो, उन लोगों को सहारा दो. आई इवन टेल माई सन, तुम कोई भी बिजनेस करो, तुम यहाँ पे कर लो, तो उसके लिए भी तो पैसे चाहिए.
Thank you for joining this podcast. And what is your social media handle?
Padrishti Mandal.
Padmashri Mandal. Okay, thank you very much.
My pleasure.